Hello everybody. Let's see how we can understand and analyze financial data using Expert AI Terminal. I've downloaded a few Excel files which has expense claims, budget forecast, accounts receivable, accounts payable, and a general ledger for a sample company. I got this data from excelx.com website. This is a practice data website. So let's go ahead and look at the prompt that we will give. So the prompt is I have saved some Excel files in the following file path. Read the data and give me a comprehensive overview of the financial state and recommendations for improvements. First discuss here, then later we will generate a report after discussion. So this prompt seems sufficient. You can see that right now I'm using Claude Opus 4.8, which is the frontier model currently available. As you can see, the model directly listed down the different files in the file path, and it found 5 workbooks. It just checked for pandas and openpyxl dependencies, and it realized it was already there. So you can see whatever kind of analysis tool this terminal may require, it will install it safely locally for you to use in the future as well. All right, so now it is seeing that multi-currency across all files with no FX rate column provided. That means that it is figuring out the discrepancies between the files. Let me finish the GL, budget, and expense analysis before I synthesize. On the bottom, you can easily see the total token usage for this task. Great. So you can see it did a considerable amount of research into the data set, and then it responded with its response. Let's see the output. One upfront caveat: the files are multi-currency with no FX rate column. So I normalized everything to USD. That's great. You can see that it's working on its own without getting errors. Look synthetic. Statistics currencies are almost perfectly even split. So yeah, even the model recognized that the data is synthetic. Again, a very good sign. The headline consult amounts to owed to you 3.4 million with still outstanding. That's open receivable sitting in the worst aging bucket. And as you can see that it has exactly analyzed the situation of this particular company's workbooks. And as per that, created a very simple and to understand and read response. I can simply just do a slash copy, and this will be copied to my clipboard. I can go ahead and paste it in any application that I use and review it for later on. If I want this process to be automated as well, I can simply tell the Expert AI terminal to create an MD file type in a particular file path, and it will save the report for me. Of course, if you tell it to structure in a proper format as per your company requirements, it will do that accordingly. Because this is a local inference provision, you can trust that all of this process has been done locally and nothing has touched any centralized servers except for the LLM API endpoints themselves. As per this token usage, the cost for this session can also be calculated. If you would like to know more about the Expert AI terminal or how much this particular session cost, do comment or reach out to me via email or messages. Thank you so much.